So if you're trying to upload stories on Instagram but they're stuck or not uploading, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix that problem. So the first thing you will have to do is to head over to any of your browser. Like you can follow the exact same steps even if you're on an Android, iPhone, iPad or whatever you have. So first of all, search for down detector. Now this is the first step. Like if you have to search is Instagram down. Now basically there can be a problem with Instagram servers itself. So to check that, to verify that, we will open this website. Is Instagram down, and then we're going to open down detector. Now if you see a big spike here, like right now there is no spike, and if you see a big spike here, there might be a reason. That might be a reason that Instagram is not uploading stories right now when you're trying to upload them, and there is an issue with Instagram's own servers, so you'll have to wait in that case. But if there is no spike like right now, you will have to head back to Instagram app, then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to check that if we have turned on a data saver by mistake, or is it turned on by default. So we will scroll down all the way and then tap on media quality, and then make sure that this option is turned off. Use less mobile data, it was turned on previously. So then you can try uploading stories, and if it still doesn't work, what you will do is that you will head back, tap and hold on Instagram, remove app, and then hit delete app, and then go to App Store, and once again install Instagram app by simply searching for Instagram. And after reinstalling Instagram, you will be able to upload stories on it, and your problem will be solved. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel, and like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.